I can't wait for the weekend. Waking up next to you. We'll be sharing our secrets, making dreams come true. Let's have a talk.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing my 3-tier tray decorate with me video. I have done one of these every single year since I've been on YouTube. I do them for all the seasons, holidays, etc, etc, etc. So it's not any different now. It's Christmas in my house right now. We have not put up our big tree yet. We are waiting to do that because we do that as a family, and there's nothing like big and extravagant and wonderful like about our tree that I need to show anybody, because we put the tree up, the kids put all the ornaments on the bottom, or at least Presley puts all the ornaments on the bottom of the tree, and voila, we have our Christmas tree. So it's nothing magazine material, but I try to make everything look a little bit nicer besides our tree. Like I said, I don't care what our tree looks like. It's for our kids, right? That's kind of, right? Right? Right. Anyways, I'll show you my 3-tier tray! I don't normally show this whole process, but I am just gonna clean off this dresser. This is probably one of my least favorite things in my house at this point, and my grandma gave this to me, and it's some sort of antique, and the top is wearing really bad, but she is always against painting anything. So I don't know, let me know what I can do to save this piece so it's not as wear and tear and looking like junk, I guess. And I just added this table runner. I know it's too long for this, but it was too short for my kitchen table, and that is why I put it here. And then this 3-tier tray I picked up at Hobby Lobby maybe 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. Okay, so I laid everything out for my 3-tier tray. So this is everything that I might use, everything that I kind of want to use, everything that I bought to use for this. I have a bunch of extra signs, so I might actually do the back nice. Normally I don't do the back very nice. These 2 things, or these 3 things are new. And this one is actually new too. Yeah, that one right there. That one's from Dollar General. I'll show you where everything is from afterwards. A lot of stuff I bought last year after Christmas, so it is still new. Bought this. I don't know if I really want to use this, but I thought this was cute last year, so I bought that. And then I wanted to return it, and then I never did, so hopefully we just use that. Oh, and this is also new this year from Target Dollar Spot. What? Oh, that's not new. Alright, so we are just gonna get started decorating. Starting out with doing the front of the 3-tier tray, I got this sign that says Mrs. Claus Cookie Company from Target Bullseye's Playground this year. I thought it was super cute, and I was really glad that it fit into my 3-tier tray. So most of this stuff is all from last year. A couple things I bought after Christmas last year. I put this like cotton, it's not even cotton, what is it called? Stuffing for your pillows. I put it in here just so it gives everything some height, just because this is kind of a lower 3-tier tray. And I just kind of bunched it all up, took some out, put some in, moved it all around. This is real life of doing a 3-tier tray. You're always so unsure if that's how you want it. Not that you can't change it or anything, but you just get so unsure when it comes to stuff. So I didn't like the stuffing sticking out of the front of this sign, so I did end up moving it backwards just a little bit, and I did keep pulling it in and out, back and forth, all kinds of stuff. Presley was helping me as well. We'll say helping. She's always around wanting to help. She loves helping me do videos. I think it's so stinking cute. And then I just picked up this green truck from Bullseye's Playground at Target. I want to say last year or the year, maybe the previous year, but it was for fall, I think. And then I'm just throwing some boxwood in here with some pots. These are normally always in my 3-tier tray. And then all of these little trees and things, those came from Walmart. I'm pretty sure that was an ornament. The little red truck was an ornament that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. That little tree I picked up last year at Target with the white and the wood. And like I said, all these little burr trees. What are they called? Why can I not remember what things are called as I'm doing a video? And then I'm like, I don't know what that's called. I do know what they're called. Bottle brush trees. I picked up all those at Walmart. They were like $1 to $2 or 50 cents. I can't remember. I got them all last year. And then a lot of this like tin galvanized type things I picked up at Hobby Lobby. The Farmhouse Christmas house is from Hobby Lobby as well. I did see that they had them this year, but I picked mine up last year. And now I'm just turning this around to do the back side. And normally I don't do the back side, but I had so much stuff just sitting around and I had no idea what to do with it. I did end up changing a lot of this because when I was decorating the house, I realized I don't have as much Christmas things as I thought I did. So I did take some stuff out of the back side of this to use for a different shelf, which you will see in my decorating video, which is already out. That video is already out. It's actually not out right now, but it will be out before this video will be out, if that makes any type of sense. That little Believe sign with the bottle brush trees, that is from Kohl's. I picked that for like super dirt cheap after Christmas. It's actually a picture holder, but I thought that it'd be perfect for the 3-tier tray.
For the lovers, we'll tumble round in the snow. My heart's going boom, boom.
And I was stuffing these bottle brush trees every which way because I have probably 20 of them, which I don't know why, but I have like 20. So I stuck a couple more in the front, and I love how this turned out. It's a little bit different than last year's. If you guys want to check out my last year 3-tier tray video, I will leave that link in the description box for you guys, along with any other 3-tier tray videos you want to see. I should probably make a playlist for 3-tier trays because I do these so often. But you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below. I have a few more Christmas videos coming out that I'm really, really excited about. But I'll see you next video. Bye!
Boom, boom. You're so beautiful. Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday. Yeah. Haven't seen you in so long. Though we text every day, and still my feelings are so strong. How I miss your face. Let's have a toast for the lovers. We'll tumble round in the snow.